In this video, we delve into the challenges that small YouTube creators often encounter on their journey, emphasizing the critical importance of perseverance. Many creators face common struggles, such as low view counts, minimal subscriber growth, and the overwhelming temptation to quit early when results don't meet expectations. This tendency to give up can be detrimental, as it often occurs just before a breakthrough. We'll explore the concept of the invisible growth phase, a crucial period that many creators experience before achieving noticeable success. During this time, it may feel like progress is stagnant, but it's essential to understand that consistent effort and dedication can lead to eventual rewards. Throughout the video, I'll share personal experiences and practical strategies that can empower creators to navigate these tough times. By fostering resilience and adopting effective techniques, small creators can not only survive, but thrive in the competitive landscape of YouTube. Join me as we uncover the keys to overcoming these hurdles and unlocking your potential as a content creator. The invisible growth phase is a crucial yet often overlooked stage that every YouTube channel experiences before achieving significant success. During this period, initial content may take time to gain traction and visibility, leaving many creators feeling discouraged. Just like planting a tree, the process requires patience and nurturing. When you first plant a seed, it may seem like nothing is happening beneath the surface, but roots are developing and establishing a strong foundation. Similarly, your early videos may not attract immediate attention, but they are essential for building your channel's future. This phase is vital for learning, refining your skills, and understanding your audience. It's important to remain patient and committed during this time, as the growth may be slow but is ultimately necessary for long-term success. By consistently nurturing your content and engaging with your audience, you set the stage for eventual breakthroughs. Remember, just as a tree takes time to grow tall and strong, your channel will flourish with dedication and perseverance, leading to the visibility and recognition you seek. YouTube's algorithm plays a pivotal role in determining how videos are matched with viewers, primarily aiming to connect content with those who will enjoy it. For small creators, understanding this algorithm is essential as it can significantly impact their visibility and growth. Initially, the algorithm tends to prioritize established creators, favoring their content due to their proven track record of engaging viewers. However, it also has mechanisms in place to support new content over time, allowing fresh voices to emerge and gain traction. This is where viewer engagement metrics become crucial. Factors such as likes, comments, shares, and watch time are key indicators that the algorithm uses to assess a video's potential. High engagement signals to the algorithm that a video resonates with its audience, increasing its chances of being recommended to a broader audience. For small creators, focusing on creating engaging content that encourages viewer interaction can help them break through the noise and gradually build their presence on the platform. Understanding these dynamics can empower creators to navigate the algorithm effectively and enhance their chances of success. Consistency in content creation is vital for small YouTube creators, as it can significantly influence their growth and success. It's important to differentiate between simply uploading on a schedule and consistently showing up for the long haul. While having a regular upload schedule can help establish expectations for your audience, true consistency involves a commitment to creating and sharing content over time, regardless of immediate results. This persistence not only leads to skill improvement, allowing creators to refine their craft and develop their unique voice, but also fosters audience building, as viewers appreciate reliable content and are more likely to return for future videos. Moreover, focusing on the process rather than the immediate outcomes can be incredibly beneficial. By prioritizing the journey of content creation, creators can cultivate a deeper connection with their audience and enjoy the growth that comes from dedication and hard work. Embracing this mindset allows small creators to navigate the ups and downs of their YouTube journey, ultimately leading to more meaningful engagement and long-term success on the platform. For small creators looking to survive and thrive on YouTube, it's essential to redefine success by focusing on skills, engagement, and connections rather than merely chasing views. This shift in perspective allows creators to appreciate their growth and the impact they have on their audience. One actionable strategy is to seek out a creator community where support and collaboration can flourish. Engaging with fellow creators can provide valuable feedback, inspiration, and opportunities for partnerships that can enhance visibility and creativity. Additionally, it's crucial to create with intention, ensuring that each piece of content aligns with your passions and values. Embracing the creative process, rather than fixating solely on the end result, fosters a more fulfilling experience and encourages authentic expression. This approach not only enhances the quality of your content, but also resonates more deeply with viewers. By prioritizing skill development, building meaningful connections, and creating intentionally, small creators can navigate the challenges of YouTube with resilience and purpose, ultimately leading to a more rewarding and successful journey on the platform. Your unique voice and perspective are valuable, and the world is waiting to hear what you have to share. The path to success is rarely linear. Challenges and setbacks are part of the process. Embrace these moments as opportunities for learning and growth. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Each milestone, whether it's gaining a few subscribers or receiving positive feedback on a video, is a testament to your hard work and dedication. These small victories build momentum and can inspire you to keep pushing forward. Reinforce the idea that persistence and dedication are key ingredients in achieving success. Many creators who now enjoy thriving channels faced similar struggles and doubts along the way. By staying committed to your vision and consistently creating content, you're laying the groundwork for future success. In this video, we explored several key points essential for small YouTube creators aiming for success. First, we emphasize the importance of understanding the growth phase and the role of the algorithm in connecting your content with the right audience. Recognizing that every channel experiences an invisible growth phase can help you stay motivated during challenging times. We also discuss the value of consistency in content creation, highlighting how persistence leads to skill improvement and audience engagement. Additionally, we shared practical strategies for thriving on the platform, such as redefining success, finding a supportive creator community, and creating with intention. As we wrap up, I encourage you to engage with this content by subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing it with fellow creators who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us grow and continue providing valuable resources for the community. Don't forget to explore more content on the channel, as there's plenty more to discover that can aid you on your YouTube journey. Thank you for watching and keep creating.